Hello and welcome back to ECS Coffee. My name is Rebecca and today we're going to be taking a look at some of the best espresso machines for $1,000 or less. So it's around the holiday season, especially when we're filming this and releasing this. So if you're in the market for some holiday shopping and you're shopping for an espresso lover, or you yourself are an espresso lover and you've got a budget of about $1,000, here are some of the best espresso machines that you can purchase with that $1,000. So we're going to start over at the Gaggia E24. The Gaggia E24 is a semi-automatic espresso machine that comes in at $830 Canadian dollars. So this is the newest release of the new classic from Gaggia. There are so many different renditions of this machine. This is the newest release. They have upgraded and fixed some of the issues that were happening with their previous new launch of the new Classic Pro. And so this is the E24. It's going to have an updated boiler as well as an integrated OPV, whereas previously this machine did not have an OPV, which is an overpressure valve. It helps you to get good espresso. This is definitely for the espresso lover. So you do need to be able to have a separate grinder with this machine to be able to get to use it to its fullest extent. Without the grinder, you might find that the espresso is slightly lacking. This is a single boiler espresso machine, so it's going to take, you want about 10 minutes for it to heat up fully. It's going to have a 58 millimeter portafilter, which is professional size. Then you have a manual steaming wand. So this is good for the person that wants to be really involved with their espresso. Gaggia is a household Italian espresso name, so if you are in the market for espresso machines, you've probably come across this brand before. The E24 comes in many different colors. We have it on display here in the red, which is so pretty, but it also comes in regular stainless steel and then fun colors like green and yellow. The E24 from Gaggia will come with a 2-year warranty. Next in line, this is the OG, the Breville Barista Express. The Breville Barista Express is a semi-automatic espresso machine with a grinder on board that comes in at $999.99. Its promo pricing is a little bit lower, so you're at the top end of that $1,000 price point. I've got some of the accessories that it comes with just on top here. This is going to be a semi-automatic espresso machine. It's going to have a grinder on board, so no need to purchase an extra grinder. It's going to have a water tank on the back, a 54 millimeter portafilter, manual steaming wand, and then also a designated hot water spout for Americanos. You have a pressure gauge on the front to be able to monitor the espresso extraction. And whereas with the Gaggia E24, we'll start and stop the espresso when we feel like it's done, the Breville has pre-programmed buttons for volume. So if I press double shot, I'm always going to get out about 2 ounces of liquid, and then how the espresso pours is going to be determined by if my grind size is right and if the amount of coffee I'm putting in is right, as well as my tamping. So with the Breville Barista Express, you do need to be a little comfortable or be willing to become a little comfortable with pouring espresso. So it's a skill to learn. There's going to be a little bit of a learning curve, but it's not too difficult. The Breville Barista Express is going to have a 1-year manufacturer warranty through Breville, and we are actually a service center for Breville within warranty, so if you are in Canada or you're kind of close to us, you can come here for servicing, which is very nice. Okay, next up is another Breville. This is also a semi-automatic espresso machine. Breville just does semi-automatics, and this is the Bambino Plus. The Breville Bambino Plus is a semi-automatic espresso machine, no grinder on board though. It comes in at its retail price of $650, so it is a lot of the time on promo pricing for around $500, so keep an eye out for that. We have it here in sea salt. It does come in some other colors. This machine does not have a grinder on board. It does have an automatic steaming wand though, so if you're a cappuccino lover and you don't want to learn how to steam milk, this is a good option. This will also have a 54 millimeter portafilter. You will maybe want to pair it with a grinder, but unlike the E24, this is a good machine for what would be called like the weekender. So If you don't want to really get into your espresso necessarily, but you want to have a compact machine, the ability to brew espresso and cappuccino, this is a good option. It comes with baskets for your portafilter that will help to increase the pressure and get you a better tasting shot of espresso. So if you're using pre-ground, this is still a good option. The Bambino Plus will have a bigger water tank located on the back. It does not have a designated hot water spout, but you can get hot water from the steaming wand. Like I mentioned, it comes in colors, so it comes in their Luxe collection of colors, which includes this white, there's a black stainless steel, a matte black, a navy, a lot of colors to choose from. This machine has a 2-year manufacturer warranty, and this is a really good machine for someone that either doesn't really care about getting too much into their espresso or someone that does want to dive in and pair it with a good grinder. The DeLonghi Dedica Maestro Plus is a semi-automatic espresso machine that retails for $499.99 Canadian, so just under $500. We do offer lower pricing in store. This is a semi-automatic espresso machine. You're going to have a 51mm portafilter, an automatic steaming wand, and the ability to also steam manually when you have the wand upright, just like the Bambino Plus. This machine does not come in any other colors. It only comes in the one color. You have pre-programmed volumetric buttons for your espresso shots, so you can pour a single or a double. This machine has a 1-year manufacturer warranty from DeLonghi. We are a service center as well for DeLonghi within warranty, so if you purchase your machine either from us or from someone else, we can service your DeLonghi machine while you're in warranty or out of warranty as well. And staying within DeLonghi, this is our first super automatic in this lineup and the only one. This is a super automatic espresso machine. This is the DeLonghi Magnifica Evo. This comes in at $999.99 Canadian. So again, just under that $1,000 price point, though there is promo pricing on this very frequently, especially around the holiday season, to bring that price point way down. So keep an eye out for that. This is for the person that wants to just touch a button and have the machine do everything for them. So it has a grinder on board, you have an automatic milk frother. There is a version of this machine that also has a manual steaming wand. It's a Panarello steaming wand. It's a little bit lower in price, but you have one touch buttons here. One touch cappuccino, one touch latte, one touch espresso. You click the button, it grinds and brews and does everything for you. So it's going to be the least work possible out of all of these espresso machines. The Gaggia E24 will be most work. Second most work would be Breville Barista Express. Bambino Plus and DeLonghi Dedica Maestro Plus will be around the same amount of work. You have the option to pair it with a grinder to get a little bit better espresso, but you do have the automatic steaming wand to easily froth the milk for cappuccino or latte. DeLonghi Magnifica Evo, whether you're using it with the latte crema system or with the steaming wand, it's going to be the easiest machine to use. You click a button, it grinds, brews, does everything for you. The DeLonghi Magnifica Evo has a total of a 3-year warranty as long as you register it on DeLonghi's website for warranty. And again, we are a service center for them within warranty period as well. So these are, in our humble opinion, some of the best espresso machines that you can buy for under $1,000 Canadian. If you wanted to learn more about any of these machines, we do have full reviews on our channel. You can check them out either by clicking one of the links that you saw throughout the video, or we have all of the links down in the description. You can also shop all of these products on our website if you'd like, and we'll also leave them in a link in the shop box down below this video as well. If you are local to us, come by in store, get a demo of some of these machines, because sometimes when you're watching the videos online, yeah, you can learn a lot, you get to see them in action, but being hands-on is really the best way to know if the machine is right for you. So if you're local to us, we have locations in Ancaster, Burlington, and Etobicoke in Ontario, Canada. So stop on by and we can give you a nice full demo of any of these machines. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the comment section down below, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.